Hey guys, I got an update for you on the buggy here. We got Nerf bars installed. I built those, bent them up on the old Princess Auto tube bender. I learned a new trick there to get some better mandrel bends. As you can see, I got a fairly good, almost 90-degree bend there, which is really hard to get out of that Princess Auto bender, and all I really did, I got it on both sides. I just worked the pipe and sort of kept bending it in different spots around that mandrel, and eventually it worked it into a good 90-degree clean bend like that. And then I also got the window nets all installed here. I'll show you how I did that. It's a lot clearer to see on a buggy like this. A lot of the videos I watched on YouTube for this are absolutely horrible. They're either a kit you've got to buy, which is you're not on YouTube because you want to buy a kit, you're on YouTube because you want to fabricate something for fairly cheap, right? So this is how I went about it. This is a permanent side. Well, not permanent, it's still removable, but it's just a rod put through with a cotter pin in it, top and bottom. Real simple. And then on the other side is a little more complicated, but this is basically a kit you can buy, but I made it myself. I just stole a seatbelt clip out of a scrap car, welded that up there, tab up front, same sort of mount on the bottom as the other side. Got the washer welded onto the end of that so it doesn't come off, and then I slip a washer onto there with the cotter pin. And then as you can see up here, you just pop the seatbelt clip, that comes down, ting, and then this slides out of there, and then your window's down. And just not very many videos show that, and also I've seen videos on there of guys using bungee cords and string and other sort of nonsense. Don't use bungee cord on this, it's not very safe. And also check your rule book before you just start building window nets, because usually there's rules on how these need to be mounted for where you're going to be racing. So now the last thing we need to put on this is the roof, and the buggy should look a lot more complete. It's already looking wicked. And tomorrow I've got a big Summit racing order coming in there, so we'll be doing an unboxing, and hopefully that'll have our steering coupler in it. And we're going to be redoing these front tie rods because, oh, camera flip. We're going to redo the front tie rods because I used Can-Am Outlander stock left-handers up here because I didn't have anything left-hand thread. But I did order left-hand bungs, 5/8 rod ends, and 5/8 left-hand lock nuts. So we should be good to go up front. I'm going to redo those tie rods, they'll be much stronger. And then basically a couple other simple things like an oil change and mount up the rams. They're not actually mounted there yet, I just got to weld tabs to the frame. And should be fairly ready to race, and that's going to be a wicked video and lots of editing for me to do and fun stuff. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it. It's been a while since an update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.